Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. Operations at Jamaican Infant School in Clarendon are in limbo. Parents staged a protest outside the school's gate yesterday, demanding the authorities address several issues. Amoy Harriet has details.
It wasn't a typical Tuesday at Jamaican Infant School.
Mr. One locked in a bush at the gate. And the gate locked. Mr. Security outside, Mr. Clean nice teacher them outside.
Padlocked gates, closed classrooms, and angry placard-bearing parents greeted the staff and students. The parents say they're at their wits' end. Now, the school has been without a principal and a vice principal for some time. The vice principal resigned in September 2022 and has not been replaced since. Fast forward to September 2023, the principal went on 8 months vacation leave. She returned in May this year but was immediately suspended due to some legal matters which were not shared with her newsroom. Now, efforts to fill both posts have so far been futile. According to board chairman Stanley Ramsing, the school recommended their guidance counselor to serve as acting principal, but this was not approved by the Ministry of Education because they said she isn't qualified. He says interviews have also been conducted to fill the vice principal post, but again, the candidate they chose was not approved by the ministry. Now, the running of the school has since been left in the hands of the chairman, and with both posts empty, there have been some financial challenges.
There has been monies entering into the school account from Ministry of Education, which the chairman of the school has no access to.
Without access to this money, the chairman told the parents he isn't able to fund the school's canteen, pay some staff members, or finance the school's maintenance. The students are unfortunately the ones bearing the brunt.
We're adamant that it cannot continue because how is it that we have our children sending to school and they come to school and they're unable to get something to eat, something warm?
He keeps stating that the reason why the canteen is not functioning, persons are not being paid, it is political. Now, we do understand politics, but politics is not the issue today. Today, our kids are being sabotaged as we came to school this morning and we were unable to enter. We have been calling for the chairman from after 7 this morning. All he did was reach out to the fire brigade to get the gates open, and we have not been able to get any messages to him from then.
The parents are demanding that a principal or vice principal be reinstated. Representatives from the Ministry of Education and staff members met Tuesday afternoon following the protest to discuss a way forward. Now, our team contacted Regional Director for the Ministry's Region 7, Barrington Richardson, but he refused to comment. The parents are now waiting with bated breaths to hear what will be the future of the school.
Me no business in a pasa. Me business with me child get education. So I don't know what's going on over the school, so I wanted to find out what's going over the school.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.
And this